Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today we are going to learn 2.2 poem Indian Weavers written by Sarojini Naidu. So firstly, we have to complete icebreakers of this poem on page number 99. So here, first icebreaker is artisans are also called craftsmen. They are creators of diverse goods and use their hands to create unique, functional and also decorative items using traditional techniques. Now, complete the web given below. As we know that there are different types of artisans. Here one is given goldsmith, and you have to write the other artisans' names. So one is shoemaker, furniture maker, musical instrument maker, weaver, baker and tailor. Next activity is discuss with your partner the seasons or occasions when we need such type of clothes. There are given 4 types of clothes: woolen clothes, casual clothes, rich silk clothes and colorful comfortable clothes. And we have to write down the need or in which occasion these type of clothes we wear or we used. So first is woolen clothes. As we know that woolen clothes, we need woolen clothes in winter season to warm our body. Second is casual clothes. Casual clothes are used in everyday life, at home or for relaxation. Next is rich silk clothes. We need rich silk clothes in various festivals, marriage ceremonies, parties. Next is colorful comfortable clothes. Colorful comfortable clothes we need in various functions or when we are in happy or sad mood, special occasions like in parties or in traveling, or when we are at home, at the time we use comfortable colorful clothes. So our next activity is, here there is a game. The teacher will ask the students some questions. Students will understand that there are some exceptions to the general rules. So here, one who weaves is a weaver. As we know that one who weaves, that person is called weaver. Like that, one who sings is a singer. Next is one who plays a game is a player. One who sings is a singer. One who dances is a dancer. One who teaches is a teacher. And one who cooks is a cook. So this is very simple activity, as we all know that one who teaches is a teacher, one who cooks is a cook. So it is very easy activity, very simple activity. So moving on, our next activity is, we have often seen the picture of Gandhiji spinning on his charkha. Discuss the reasons behind this. One is given here. So as we know that Gandhiji always use his charkha, and we have to write down the reasons behind using that charkha. One is given there. Is to give rural people an opportunity to earn their livelihood. As we know that charkha is very important. In our flag also we find the picture of charkha in our flag, and whenever we saw Gandhiji's pictures, there is also a charkha using Gandhiji. So we have to write down here reasons behind that. So one is given there. The another reasons for using the charkha is to propagate Swadeshi movement, or another reason may be it gives importance to self-sufficiency, or the next, weaving clothes oneself introduced the idea of dignity of labor. So there are the reasons behind using charkha of Gandhiji. So next activity is name some tools used by the weavers. There are a number of tools used by the weavers. One is given there, that is a loom, and the another is weaving, yarn, tapestry needle, shade stick, scissors, and dowels. So these are the tools used by a weaver for weaving their clothes. The next and the last icebreaker is name some types of yarns used by the weavers. So here one is given, that is linen. Next is polyester, nylon, mullein, silk. These are the some yarns used by the weavers. See here we had completed the icebreaker sections of the poem Indian Weavers. Hope you may understand the icebreakers. These icebreakers are very helpful to understand the overall knowledge about the title of the poem or of the lesson. So in our next lecture we continue the poem. Thank you for listening.